Here's a 2014 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, active noise cancellation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. Cadillac is driving the world forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.